20 fitness favorites I am currently loving. I know this is a break from my normal cleaning and organizing content, but I wanted to share in case you're on a fitness journey too. Let me start this video by saying I realize it's a little weird. We're talking exercise and fitness and I'm in the bathroom. We're having on and off storms and the lighting, this is the only place that the lighting is good in my house, so we're gonna make it work. Now, like I said, this is not my usual content. Normally I'm helping you around the home with cleaning and organizing your tips and tricks, but I wanted to share this today because I hit 40. Let me know if you're this way in the comments. I hit 40s and wow, has it been a lot harder to get back in shape, to stay in shape. And you know, we're getting inundated all the time with you need this many macros and more protein and more fiber and more water and more sleep and more steps. And it is a lot. So I'm coming to you not as an expert by any stretch in fitness, but just to share some of the things that I have found useful along my fitness journey in case it might help you too. Everything's gonna be linked in the description below. Let's check them out. Okay, number one, I am sure you have seen because they are currently all the rage, but I do really love it, and that is a weighted vest. So I added this in earlier in the year when I knew I was gonna start increasing my walks, and I just wanted a little bit more of a challenge, and it adds that for sure. So I started with 8 pounds. I will say you get used to it pretty quickly. So I maybe would have started with 12, it's gonna be, you know, whatever you think is right for you. And then they actually make ones with adjustable weights now. So I recently got one that's from 11 to 20 pounds. I'm right now closer to the 11-pound range, but I love that I can add or remove weights as I need to get closer to that 20 or take it away. So the thing I love about a weighted vest is that yes, it adds an extra challenge when I'm walking around the neighborhood or even just walking on the treadmill, extra calorie burn, but it also helps with my posture. And I really do feel it in my core because you know, you're having to hold up this extra weight on your back, and I feel like it strengthens my core too. So I absolutely love these. I do swear by them as well. Now, the number one question I get about these is how the heck do you clean these things? Because you can't toss them in the washing machine. So grab hypochlorous acid, which this is actually something our bodies naturally make. And it is a great spray that you can just spray. You can use this actually all over your home, but you just spray it and it's gonna help kill bacteria and get rid of odors. Now, obviously, if there's any obvious dirt on your weighted vest, you could spot clean it with a little dish soap and water. But otherwise, whenever it's super sweaty or just every couple days, I just spray it down with the hypochlorous acid and call it good. Number two is one that I look forward to using every single day, and that is a vibration plate. So there's a couple different ways that you can use this. I always start by standing on it, and I do that for about 10 minutes, and they have different levels. They come with a remote, so it's nice. You can operate it while you're standing on it. And so I do it for about 10 minutes, and then I will sit on the ground and rest my calves on it and let those vibrate for about maybe 5 to 10 minutes. I will sit on it. I will even do planks on it, which let me tell you, that is a challenge and it feels very weird. It takes some getting used to your head and arms and everything shaking like that. But I just really love it. Now they say it has all these benefits, right? And I don't know how true a lot of this is. You'll hear them say like, oh, if you stand on it for 20 minutes, it's like the equivalent of running a mile. Again, I don't know about all that, but for me, what I love about it is after a hard workout, it feels good. I know it's good for some lymphatic drainage as well. And this may be all in my head, but I swear it is helping tone me up a little bit in addition to my workouts. So whatever it is, I'll take it, but I am loving the vibration plate. Number three, adjustable weights. Now I go to the gym, but some days you just can't get there. You just wanna work out at home. So I love that instead of needing dumbbells in every single weight, I can just have this one set and adjust the weight as needed. They come in so handy. And then the next two items actually relate to this and is another really smart thing. So number four, a kettlebell converter. Again, rather than having a ton of kettlebells in different weights, this converter will snap onto a dumbbell and you can then create a kettlebell. So I will snap this onto my adjustable weight and then I'm able to just adjust the weight of the kettlebell without needing a ton of different dumbbells and without needing a ton of different kettlebells. So that is genius. And then number five, the same idea, but for barbells. So this is a barbell converter and you can just put your dumbbells on the end and now you have a barbell of varying weights as well. I just think these are so genius, so useful. And then speaking of lifting, number six are lifting gloves. I never thought I would be using these, but I will say they really come in handy, no pun intended. So a lot of times at the gym, if you're lifting, barbells or dumbbells, you'll start to get calluses on your hands, or sometimes you just feel like you don't have a good enough grip because your hands are sweating. So with these, I love that they protect your hand from the calluses, but also they do allow you to get a better grip on the bar, and bonus that they come in different colors and I'm able to get them in pink. Number 7, I've talked about before, but it's my favorite pair of wireless headphones. These are super affordable and they work great. So you don't need to spend a ton of money on expensive wireless headphones. The other thing I love about these is that they show the charge on the case. So, you're not getting to the gym and then looking and being like, oh no, these have died. You'll know what the charge is, and the charge lasts a very long time. So love these for headphones, when working out. And then we've talked about the headphones and now the gloves, something to hold all of these when I'm at the gym. Number 8, I love this little water bottle holder. It's like a silicone, almost just like a little purse for your water bottle that you can hook onto the side, and then it can hold your phone, your headphones, the gloves, whatever else you need. So it is handy. Now I will say it really only works for water bottles with a handle. If you use one that doesn't have a handle, it will start to slide down off the water bottle as you add things to it and it gets heavy. So I like this more for my water bottles that have a handle. Number 9 is something else I love for walks in addition to my weighted vest, and that is this almost like a fanny pack pouch that you can wear to hold maybe your keys, your phone, your headphones, whatever you need. But when I'm out walking, I like to be hands-free. So a belt like this is really nice just to hold things, keep them right there on you. And if you do use wired headphones, it even has a little spot where you can feed the wire up through. So you can keep your phone in the pouch and then feed the wire up through it. Number 10, I've also shared before, but I absolutely love these. And these are shoelaces that make any sneaker a slip-on. I just hate whenever you have laces that are tied and you get walking and sometimes they come undone and it's just a pain. So with these, you just take out the original laces, replace them with these, get them to the length that you need, and then cut them down. And they're good and secure. I have been using mine for so long now, months now, and I use these shoes for my workouts at the gym every day and then my walk at night, and the laces have not loosened or anything. They are brilliant, but now the shoes can just slide on and off easily and I don't have to mess with tying them. Number 11, a good pair of wrist weights. And what I really love about these, not only are they great, like if you're walking, again, weighted vest you could wear the wrist weights as well. But you guys, sometimes I love to clean my house wearing the weighted vest and the wrist weights. And if we thought that cleaning was cardio before, wait till you clean with these things attached to you. It really does make you sweat and makes the cleaning a little bit of a calorie burn. So I just love wrist weights, again, just for adding a little bit of a challenge to maybe your workout or your walk or your cleaning. And while we're talking wrists, 2 other favorites that I love for that area of our body. First, wrist guards. I never really knew these were a thing or thought that I would even need them until I started doing workouts that had me doing planks or mountain climbers. I don't know if I have weak wrists or what, that is a tongue twister, but it's just some days when you are really having to hold yourself up, it really starts to hurt them. So I love these guards because you can just wrap them around and it just gives your wrists a little extra support. And then number 13 is my pedometer watch. So I stopped using an Apple Watch because I felt like I was always getting a rash under the band. I didn't like the constant EMFs it was putting out, but I was bummed because I wanted a way to be able to track my steps, but I didn't want a boring old ugly pedometer that looked like a pedometer. So this is the best solution I have found because it looks like just a nice watch, and it is. It tells you the date and the time, but it also tells you distance, calories burned, and your steps. And I love that I don't have to charge it. Number 14, I am new to, but it is this roller. They call this an anti-cellulite roller. I haven't been using it long enough to know if it really does help with cellulite, but what I do know is that it feels very good. It's almost like a deep tissue massage. So a lot of people you'll see using it, they roll it on like their thighs, but you can also use this on your hips, your stomach. The one I have, a piece comes off and you can use that to roll like maybe your calves or your arms. So it's supposed to have a ton of benefits. All I know is it feels amazing anytime you do it, but especially after a workout. Number 15 are gliders. Now I don't use these all the time, but sometimes if I stream an online workout, they might call for them, and they do help with certain like ab exercises just to help you, be able to move your legs or do mountain climbers or things like that on carpet or hard surfaces. And then number 16 are workout bands. These I do love, like resistance bands. I get a pack that have varying like sizes. So there will be like a light all the way up to extra heavy, which is obviously a little more challenging. Certain workouts will call for these. I mean, you can find workouts online that are only using resistance bands, but they really do add like a nice challenge. So I love having some of those on hand as well. Number 17, some of the powders or drink mixes that I use. So first up, my pre-workout, I love this one by Just Ingredients. All the flavors have been so good. And then I also love the Just Ingredients brand protein. First of all, I love this brand because it's a trustworthy one. The ingredients are good and clean. I actually love following her account on Instagram as well. She's a wealth of knowledge when it comes to the ingredients in our foods and things. So love her products. The protein powders are so good. So far, I have tried strawberries and cream, snickerdoodle, and chocolate and vanilla, and they are all so good. So love that for the protein powder and the pre-workout. And then I've also recently started adding in creatine. I'll be honest, I don't know all the ins and outs of it, but I hear it's good for us, so I throw that in with my protein powder too. Number 18, just some of my favorite things to wear when working out. So typically I go to the gym, and I'll tell you, I'm not much of a shorts girl at the gym because depending on what leg moves you have to do, sometimes you just feel like the shorts are not covering enough. So I am a leggings girl through and through, even when it does make me sweat a little more than I'd like to. But I will link some of my favorite Amazon leggings in the description below. They are affordable, but they are wonderful quality, and they look good too, and they're comfortable and soft. And then I love a good oversized tee. I don't like anything clingy and tight when I'm working out. I know some people really love that. I wish I was that way because it probably would just be easier to move around sometimes, but I just love the flow and the looseness of an oversized tee. So I will link just some of my favorites in the description. Number 19 is the app MyFitnessPal. If you are trying to track your macros or your nutrition, I highly recommend this one. I know it's been around forever. You probably know about it, but it just makes it really easy. Their database is huge. I love that I can just scan a barcode and it will find it and have all the nutrition stuff right there. So they make it really easy. For me, this has been a game changer because before this, I thought, oh, I'm getting enough protein. I'm getting enough fiber. And then you start to track it and you're like, oh wait, I'm actually not. So it really just helps you stay on top of your nutrition game. And it's really user-friendly. And like I said, their database has basically everything, or at least a very close equivalent. So love this app. And then lastly, number 20, what am I using for workouts? Am I just winging it on my own at the gym? No, for me, I need some guidance, some structure, and some accountability. So I work with my friend Avery. She is a personal trainer, but the beauty is it's all done through an app. I don't physically meet with her because she is in a different state than me, but you would never know it because I talk with her every day and she gives you based on what your needs are. And if you're working out at a gym or if you're working out at home, she will give you workouts guided to your lifestyle. She also covers nutrition. It's not just workouts, it's really the whole package. So I cannot say enough good things about her. This is my second time working with her. She's incredible and she will teach you so much. I have learned so much from her. So she really focuses just on the whole body and really getting you reset and good to go. So I love Avery and I will drop all of her information in the description below. And then if I feel like I need, I just want an extra workout at home one day, or I just want to stream something, I can't make it to the gym, so I just want to stream. For that, I do Kira Stokes Fitness, and she has an app that you can stream on your TV or you can get on your phone. And I like that she has varying types, like based on, the type of workout you want, but also the length of time. So if I only have 10 minutes, she's a workout for that. If I have more, she does ones that are even an hour plus, and they are challenging. So between Kira and Avery, I am set. All right, and that does it. Just 20 of my fitness favorites that I have found useful along this fitness journey of mine. If you have any to add, please drop them in the comments below. Again, everything will be linked in the description, and hopefully you found this useful. If so, hit the thumbs up button. Thank you for indulging me and allowing me to just share some of these favorites, and we will be back to our regularly scheduled programming in my next video.